Hi guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we have learned how to create some property controls and associate document properties to it. In this lecture, we will learn how to use these document properties to control the visuals. Let's create a bar chart, and I have already created certain document properties for you. An input box, a drop-down list, and some list boxes. Now that we have created a chart, we want the color by of this chart to be based on the color by of this property control. To do that, there are two ways. Either you can go here, do a right click and choose set from property, or you can do a right click, choose custom expression and search for DP dimensions over here and then click insert properties and make sure that it is having a such kind of braces in the last. So if I click OK, now you see whatever will be the selection of the color by over here, this will be reflected in this chart, right? And this is how most of the dashboards becomes dynamic because we have certain controls to manage all the visuals in the chart. Now, another thing we have to do is use these matrix. I have already created these matrix. Let me show it to you. If you go to the DP matrix, I have already created under expressions, right? So all I have to do now is do a custom expression, choose DP matrix, and this looks good. Sum of unit price. I click OK. Now you see whatever matrix I choose over here, this will be displayed over here. So user is not limited to see just one metric in a chart at a time. This version, this way of Spotfire gives the flexibility to make everything in a chart dynamic. You can make the x-axis dynamic, the matrix or the y-axis dynamic, the color by dynamic, and we will see further. Now we also have a shipware. We have federal shipping, all of this. So now we want that the data in this chart should only be applicable to whatever shipware I have chosen. There are two ways to do that. One is in the expression, another in the data limit. Let's first have a look in the data limit. So if I go to properties, I do data and I go to edit, all I have to do is search for first write shipware is equal to and then search for the DP, which is federal shipping, DP shipware. Okay. So and make sure that you add quotations over here, single quotations would do, and click OK. All right. So now whatever data we are seeing is of federal shipping. If you change it to Speedy Express, all the data that is visible over here is of Speedy Express. To confirm it, we will do a color by shipware. So now since it is Speedy Express, all the data is of Speedy Express. If you change it to federal shipping, all the data will be of federal shipping. We change to United Package, all the data will be of United Package. So that's how you can use document properties to filter out data in your charts. Another way that I was talking about is to use custom expressions in the matrix. Let's say we are looking at sum of discount. So let's make this easy and I will say sum case when shipware is equal to and then you choose here DP shipware and make sure you put quotations around it. Then do the sum of discount end. And this is discount, right? So case when shipware is the value of the document property that the user selects, then the discount sum will happen. So when you click on OK, and I also must remove the filtering that I have done here from the data limit. So I will remove this one for now and I will only keep it under the expressions. So now you see it is the same kind of result that you see over here, right? Now you will ask what is the difference between data limit and expression. The data limit will be applicable to all the matrix in this chart, but the expression you can limit it to a particular expression at a time. So let's say we have three matrix side by side in this particular chart. So you can control the expression one at a time. Let's say one you want ship via United package only. Let's say you want another one with the ship region as Americas, and maybe in the third one you want as a ship country as any country, India. So you can have multiple expressions, and in each expression you can have one condition. But if you want a common condition, then you can simply have sum of discount, and you can have that one common condition in the data limit. So that are the ways that we can use the different document properties right over here in our charts, and every document property can be used anywhere in the whole dashboard, not just in this page, but in any page. Now, if you want to have a look what my document property value contains, you have to go to File, Document Properties, and go to Properties. So you see, these are the different properties that we have created, and these are the different values. So you see, Shipwire has the value United package over here. Now, if I change it to Federal Shipping, if I go back to document properties and see, so my shipware has become Federal Shipping. So whatever document property value is in those property controls, you can have a look over here, right? Like this input box has this value prints, so I can see that this DP input has the value prints, right? The DP matrix has the value discount, sum of discount. You can see it right over here. So that's how you can manage your document properties. You can edit the document properties. You can delete the document properties. You can associate scripts to the document properties that we will learn in the next lecture. You can create new document properties right from here or from the property controls as well. So these are some of the many different things you do with document properties and property controls in Spotify development. This is a very basic, very common, very important, and a very powerful feature that Spotify offers that helps you make your entire dashboard very dynamic, very flexible, and you do not have to create multiple pages. In one single page, you can give the user entire flexibility. We will learn more. Talk to you in the next lecture. Thank you.